For universal pairing, you can intercom with other brands' headsets. Here's how to do it. First, place the other brand's headset into pairing mode. Then, place the F1 ASMAX device into pairing mode by long pressing the function key.
Start pairing.
Then, to connect, simply double-click the intercom key.
Universal pairing. Universal connected.
Once you're connected, to confirm the connection, then double-click the function key. You should hear the dudu sound, which confirms that you are now connected. In order to leave the group intercom, double-click the function key again. And you should hear the same sound again, letting you know you've now left the pairing. And what if you want to connect another ASMAX Bluetooth device after you've already got the bridge networking set up? That's easy. Just establish a new team network with the ASMAX Bluetooth device, and you've got a three-way intercom going.